Hello, the 163rd boat race takes place this weekend. For spectators and competitors, the weather is looking fine. It's going to stay dry, there'll be warm sunny spells and light winds from the northwest. A few April showers about on Saturday, some heavy downpours during Saturday afternoon around London. But by Sunday, this large area of high pressure moves in, keeping weather fronts to the far northwest and keeping the southeast of England in particular with warm sunny spells. Now you can see just one or two showers about across the map, so you can't completely rule out the risk of showers by Sunday afternoon. But I think that for the London area, we'll be very unlucky if we do see a shower. I think most likely outcome is that it's going to stay dry with sunny spells. So zooming into the course itself, and it runs from Putney to Mortlake, starting just to the west of Putney Bridge and finishing just to the east of Chiswick Bridge. It's just over 4 miles long, goes upstream, but it takes place just before high tide, making the best of the strongest current. The women's race kicks off at 16:35 and it's looking like the weather will be fairly decent. Sunny spells, temperatures of 14, 15, 16 Celsius. There will be a headwind, a wind coming from the northwest, but it's only going to be 3 to 5 miles an hour with gusts of 10 to 12 miles an hour, so it shouldn't affect things too much. Now, an hour later, the men's race takes place, 17:35, and the weather's looking very similar indeed. Again, sunny spells, perhaps a bit more sunshine as daytime heating starts to cool down and the cloud starts to thin out a little bit. But otherwise, it's looking very similar. Again, a slight headwind, but those winds are going to be very light indeed. So all in all, it's looking very pleasant for this year's boat race.